So today we will look at the command line. Before that, let me show you how command line works. Command line arguments, I mean. So remember we did create a file. Sorry, create a file. Here is the main file. So we use nano to edit the main file. Let's do that again. Nano main.cpp. So how this nano editor is getting that there is this main.cpp file in this directory that it needs to open. This is my friend is called the arguments. So basically we are working in the command line. So there is this command line program that we are running. So in that command line running, we are passing in some arguments here. So let's see, here's the code, right? Simple as that. So how you can see that your program or whatever the code you have written is supporting the command line option. Here you can see in the main function there is two variables here. One is argc argument count, argc argument value. So by default, every program takes an argument that is their program name or some other name. Let's find out here. So if a program by default takes the argument, that means the index of that will be always 0 and the argument count will be 1. So how about we print the argument 0 here. So cout \\argv 0. If this is true, let's testify it. And out. Save it. Compile it. Let's just run it. A.out is printing out A.out because this A.out is its argument that it has taken from where it was executed. So if we want to see how many arguments are we passing, let's find out. Print. So this program will just print the argument count, how many arguments we are passing in. So let's recompile it. Let's pass two arguments. Hello, there's one argument. That's arguments will be separated by space. Hello, jello, fellow, which is 3 arguments. We are passing with 3 arguments. The argument count should be returning us 4. See, it's returning 4. That means it's taking the first argument as a.out, second argument as hello, third argument as jello, fourth argument as fellow. So if we just write a simple for loop to see if all the arguments are correct, we can see it. So let's say a simple for loop. For loop, the count would be argc and the output would be cout argv. The order will be at 1 because it's starting from 0, and L because we want to print a new line every time. So recompile it, then just see hello, jello, fellow. The arguments are there. So this is how the programming with command line arguments works. So you can determine your program with this argument. Like how, suppose you are writing a program that's gonna generate some values. So for normally it generates a value from 1 to 100. It's a sequential process. But if you have the idea like you want to generate something in inverse way, just press the argument. If the program finds that argument in there, then it will look for the subroutine that it will print the reverse. Let's just solve that program right away. Something like that. So if the argc is less than equal to 1, okay, Yeah, there will be equal one. ARGC. GC 1. So there's the normal subroutine or else if ARGC is greater than 1 or equal 2. So you might have some subroutine for if the argument is only 2 but one argument is passed. So only one argument has been passed by the user. Else more than one argument has been passed by. So you can call a function some function. So that function probably determines checks the ARGV values and do something else. Here something same. So that's about it. Command line arguments are always useful because suppose if you are writing a program that gonna read files, so the files are in the same directory, so what you want to do, you just pass the argument the file names, that it will automatically compile it for you in that way, automatically just get the files and do stuff like how you coded it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.